Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2022 Hot Wheels. This is the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. From Rally Champs, another new series for 2022. I believe this is a brand new series. I've never seen it before. But number 180 of 250 for 2022. A K-Case release. HCV29 is the number. Rally Champs are multi-terrain cars ready to race anywhere you want to take them. Okay, so kind of gives us an idea of what this is. My dad would probably really like this. He's a big Volkswagen Audi guy, and we used to have an Audi wagon. It was an 03 A6. It didn't last too long, but this is a Hot Wheels. It should last longer than our real one did. Look at this yellow color with the white 10 spokes. Really cool, loving that. Here's just a little overview before we take a better look at this and just dive into the details on this. So right away I'm noticing a black plastic base, a 2018 copyright, white 10-spoke wheels, painted details, number 1 with Michelin, and Audi Sport Quattro, Bilstein, no painted details in the back, and a black interior. Nice sporty hatchback here, and let's zoom in really close. Take a nice look at the details. As you can see, looking closer at that, we see a black stripe, a red stripe, and a gray stripe. Going down the side there's a box right there with the Hot Wheels logo, a line then a number 1. Really cool. Look at the texture on the top of that windshield. I think that's wicked cool. Nice German vehicle here. Oh no! Never know what you're gonna get with those 99-cent cars or $1.25 cars now, but look at this. We have a little bit of missing paint, not enough to be really worth anything more, just a defect. Double exhaust there. Michelin on the side, I like that. I love the Michelin. And beautiful ride. Great looking car. I think this came out in 2020 in red. I think there's a Super Treasure Hunt version of it as well, but really cool, made in Malaysia. Love doing the single unboxings. You know, you get a nice look at the brand new Hot Wheels that are coming out, and you just look at them, just look at one car at a time. But sometimes I like to do the mass unboxing videos just to get newer cars out for you guys to see, so I don't fall behind. Like on my mass unboxing videos, I haven't even done G-Case yet. And 2023 cases are dropping on the pre-orders, but super nice rally car from the 80s, 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Look at the card art on this as well. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. What car do you want me to open next? Comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.